Alright, muggles, wizards, and witches, here's the tutorial. Be nice. I worked really hard on this. Here's everything you need. A poster board to fill the space you're going to cover, spray adhesive, some sort of loop. I used hair ties, but use whatever. These flameless magic candles from Amazon, polyfill from Amazon, duct tape, and these LED strip lights from Amazon. Take your duct tape and put it on the back of your poster board and smack it up on the ceiling like this. Then you're going to take your hair ties and a strip of duct tape and loop it through like that so you can put it on the poster board in random intervals, just like this. Then you're going to take your LED strip lights. They have the adhesive already on the back. You'll put them on the poster board in a random zigzag pattern. Make sure you put the end easily accessible so you can plug it in, just like that. Then these are the candles from Amazon. They come with the fishing line already attached, so that's super easy. They take one AAA battery each. Super easy. You're going to loop the fishing line through your loops on the poster board like this and tie them into place just like that. Make sure you hang them at random intervals to give that beautiful Harry Potter floating candle look, just like this. Then take big handfuls of the polyfill. This is how I get that really good cloud look. Make sure you get big handfuls. Spray the back with the spray adhesive and put it on the poster board. You're going to fill in the big gaps first. So just keep taking big handfuls of that fluff, spray, and put them in the big gaps. You really don't need much spray. I promise it will stick, and you don't want to use too much spray because we're going to reuse this next year, and I'll show you how. So just keep going, a little bit of spray, tuck it up on the board. And then you're going to come in later and fill in some of the small spaces and fill it in as you go. Okay, see, it's already starting to look magnificent. So let's keep going. So you'll take smaller handfuls to fill in the small gaps, and you'll also start taking sections from beside each other and folding them in to the next section to kind of fill in the gaps and make them merge together nicely. Make sure you cover up the ends of the poster board and just keep spraying, taking from one section and folding into the next so you can incorporate that fluff together to give it that beautiful fluffy cloud look. Here's the plug sticking out from the end of the poster board. You're going to take the cord that came with the LED lights to plug it in. This is how we get power to our cord, to our clouds. So you're going to plug it in just like so. You'll load the app on your phone. It comes with all of these presets. It's really great. You can also make your own presets. The one I used in the original video was the lightning. Look at that. It's magnificent. But they have some other really cool options too. So you just go in the app. You can choose whatever color you want, whatever's, float your boat, whatever your fancy is. So pick your favorite and let it go. So next we have the wand that came with the candles. It has an on button, and that's how you turn the candles on, just like that. Magnificent. And there you go. You have a beautiful enchanted Harry Potter sky. It looks magnificent. I love it. Beautiful, just perfect. And here's how easy you take it down. Because we use that spray adhesive, this just comes right off. You can put the fluff right back in the bag and use it again next year. We're all about, reusing and recycling. So I'm going to roll these back onto the spool and tuck them away, and we'll have our Harry Potter ceiling again next year. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this.